Hi, in Clipchamp today we are going to speed up a video. So if you haven't got Clipchamp installed on your machine, you can work with it online. If you've got a Windows 10 machine or Windows 11, it probably comes by default installed on your computer, laptop. So if you go to create a new video, and then import media, and then go to wherever the file is you want to just running on. So I've just clicked on the plus. You can drag it down if you want. If you haven't got, I might have said this, but if you haven't got Clipchamp installed on your machine, there's a link in the description. So I move the blade over to wherever I want. With the clip highlighted, I can either speed up all of the clip or part of it. So if I go up there just above the timeline and put a split in, and move it over and put another split in, so we have adjust the speed now. So we go over onto the right, just below my mugshot. I tap on speed. What you will notice is there's no curve on here. On a lot of software, got the curve. Can you see what's happening? It's producing a gap in between the two clips. Two clips on the side, third clip in the middle. So if I move that along, so if you had a bit of music or something like that, if it wasn't extracted, then that music would adjust the speed of the music as well. So bear that in mind. So if we move that over to there and have a preview, you can see it running a bit faster. Now to get over the curve problem, what you can do, let's put another split in, move the blade, another split in, then go up to speed, move it all over. Do you notice how it speeds up, but it doesn't? It's not too jerky. So if you're happy with that video, you can export it up here. I always choose best quality. It's best to, isn't it? You can export it as a GIF. If you leave it to render, it will say download to your computer. It is a computer. There's a video at the end of this video. There's also a playlist which can help you and other things with Clipchamp. If you go into there, there might be other material that you may find useful. Thanks for watching.